Hello everyone, my name is Sachin and today's topic is a recession. So let's discuss the recession. So a recession and global recession. There is no officially globally recognized a definition of recession. So in 1974, US economist Julius Skin described a recession as two consecutive quarters of the declining growth, and many countries still adhere to that. However, the US has since opted to use a more open definition to the National Bureau of Economics and Research. Look at the variety of factors when deciding whether to the or factors to deciding whether or not American is in a recession. The Institute of Definition of the event. So lasting more than a few months, normally feasible to in production, employment, and real income and other indicators. A recession being when the economy researches the park of the activity, and researches the economy research is through like national recession, consensus of the definition of the global recession has yet to be reached. So the World Bank main indicators of the worldwide downturn is multiple major countries of economies contracting at the same time, as well as the another week of global economic growth. So the world economy has gone through the major downturns over the past 7 decades in 1975 and to 1991 and 2009. Recession typically the last about the year in the advanced economic. According to the IMF, the data support of this average recession lasted 11 months. So sign of the recession, beside the prolonged decline in the gross domestic production, one of the most measure of the recession of the unemployment rate when the begin with a rise. It can trigger the domino effect of economic consequence and demand for the goods and services slow down. During the last global recession, unemployment 9.5% in US, according to the Bureau of Labor Statistics. So although employment is high, major economic statement, another key about the recession. The recession has major problem in IT industry.